Hey everyone, I thought I'd make a quick video on getting the Flax game engine running in Linux. And currently I'm using CachyOS, but any Linux distro with that can run app images would work. So in the link in the description, you'll be taken to a GitHub page for Seed Launcher. That's the third-party manager, and that's going to be the easy method to run Flax game engine. So once you get to the page, download the latest app image that he has available on the releases page and execute it. Once you execute it, this is what you're going to see. You'll see the launcher window with the latest news tab, sample projects, and the install section. In the install section, you can download the latest version of the Flax game engine. Right now, you can see I have installed version 1.10. You can even enable Android build tools while you're installing the latest version or any version of the Flax game engine. Once you've done that, you can start up a sample project. As you can see right here, I've started up the third person shooter project. It starts up within a minute. It's pretty fast. Not as fast as Godot, but it's very nice for a C# engine, I would say. I mean, considering that it has to compile all the stuff. As you can see, it runs pretty well, especially for a laptop this old. I'm running it on a 5th gen Intel Broadwell laptop. Nothing special. So why Flax game engine? I thought it's underused, and there's not many videos on it on YouTube, especially compared to now the rising star, Godot, Unity, and Unreal. So I thought I'd try and implement some Godot projects into Flax game engine. The first one I'm going to tackle is the Kenny Assets 3D platform project, as you can see on the screen. I'll try and put some gameplay footage of it running in Godot, and I'm going to try and implement that one for one in the Flax game engine. If that's something that interests you, subscribe for more, and you'll see that in the next video. See ya.